Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Adam on the R7. Obviously, this is an R7. I'm Adam. It's nice to meet you guys. Obviously, I made a video before on the bike. Only had it not too long, maybe a month now, a bit less, 3 weeks. Obviously, I made a video with a couple of friends. Just riding about. It wasn't really a vlog. I called it a vlog. It wasn't. Just me riding around with a couple of friends. But this is my official first actual vlog. You see me in the person, see my bike, and get a POV. Don't know who that is calling me, but yeah, that's what it is, man. So basically, currently I'm on 1 bar of fuel, so I need to get petrol and then we can go on a nice ride. So what I'll do is I'll put you on my helmet, get a little POV, and we'll go for a ride. Fuck's sake. Oh, it's fucking heavy. Oh my god. Okay, so we're on the bike. Obviously, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go get some petrol real quick, because obviously I don't have too much. So the issue that I have at hand at the moment is simply that I got a really loud exhaust on the bike. Currently does not have a baffle in. I do have one coming, because I can't lie to you, as much as I love loud things and loud cars and bikes, this exhaust actually will get me pulled over. I'm not trying to get no fines and tickets and all that. Really fucking loud. Can barely hear myself talk. Really need to get petrol and then we can enjoy the ride. I can feel it kind of like bogging a bit. Even though I've got 1 bar, I'm pretty sure this little the little petrol gauge on my bike is not correct, because it doesn't ride the same when it's this low. I don't know why. To be fair, I think it is because of the exhaust as well. Don't think it does help. Like more airflow. It's not been tuned either. It's just put it on. So maybe that may be it. I don't know. I might be blaming the petrol, but I won't lie, yeah. It does sound really good. Really, really good. It's just way too loud. And I'm hoping the baffle should sort that out a little bit. You can hear it pop and bang a little bit, if that's the correct terminology for bikes. I don't know. Wait. Yeah, no, it does definitely bang really loud. Again, some people like it this loud. I honestly, I used to, until you got on the bike that's loud, and then it does your fucking head in. Constant noise. To be fair, I like a little bit of a rumble, but obviously this one's just taking a piss a bit. It's a bit too loud. So yeah, definitely I'm waiting for that baffle to arrive. You see what I mean? Like, I had plenty of power, it just bogged out and just stalled on me. This bike, honestly, I think it is the exhaust. It definitely isn't the petrol, because it shouldn't be bogging out like that. It feels really like, it feels like it's in a limp a bit. Like right now, it feels like it's about to bog out again. Cool, let's come to a little disabled thing here. Obviously, whilst I'm filling up, I was waffling a little bit. So pretty much, yeah, as I was saying earlier, oh fuck me, what has happened? Yo, this day is not for me, I can't lie to you. It's got petrol everywhere. What the hell, why is it squatting up like that? I'm actually going so slow as well. Fuck me, man, not my day. Fuck me, man, I just can't be arsed today. Oh, what the hell? Let's give it a quick wipe down. To be fair, wrap it quite quick, but yeah, let's get that all cleaned up in there. Oh, in neutral. Fuck me. It is really hot today, I can't lie. Full gear in this heat. Obviously I don't have boots on, because my feet are going to be drenched by the time I get out of them. Cool, quite a lot of cars. I don't know if I should go around them. Also, it's looking out for the police as well, because I'm not trying to get pulled over today. As you see, my luck hasn't been too good. Just got squirted with petrol. Dropped my camera so many times trying to do that intro as well. Let's go around this guy. This is a bit screwed, isn't it? On the wrong side of the road. It's alright. Let's go all the way around. All the way around. Alright, let's go. I don't know why he was flashing me. I'm on a bike, bro. I can fit in everything. Obviously not too high, I guess, so fucking thing bogs out all the time. Woo! A lot of big gaps around here. Usually the gaps aren't that wide. You have to kind of like literally squeeze through them. Too many lights around here. Yo, I love twisty roads, I can't lie. They're kind of fun, but I'm not too good with them. Like, I need to get a bit more familiar with obviously learning how to lean. Because I can't lie, before this bike I had an R3 and you didn't really have to lean on the bike too much. This is more of a sportier position. Plus you have to like kind of put your hips into it a bit more to actually like, you know, turn the bike. What the fuck am I doing in gear 6? Go in this lane. I'm getting all the fucking lights today, man. Please give me a break. I don't want these lights anymore. I've been stopping at literally almost every light. Alone across. Fam, I can't tell. Is she wearing that? Yo, her pussy about to come out. What's going on? Fuck it hell, what's she wearing? I mean, it is hot, to be fair. I would definitely do that if I was a woman. Get my vag out in the heat, get a good suntan, nice colour on the meat, you know what I mean? Like it roasted a little bit. Oh, fucked. Gosh. I see most of these man, they be doing that, all this weavy shit in and out, fucking wheeling. Can't be doing that, I can't. I'll try and do a wheel in a second to see how bad I am at it. And if I crash, content. content. Oh no, you're not fucking serious, man. Every light I've been at, man, I can't be able to stop through. Literally every light I've been at, I've had to stop. Not a single one I've gone through. Cannot be asked. It's not every 2 seconds. Red light, man. This is down here as well. Imagine London. I reckon there's constant red lights up there. He wants to see me do a wheelie. I say yes. That means 1 vote, I win. I'm doing a wheelie. If I can. I need to find a good space to do it. Oh, wow, got off the ground at least. It feels like I'm body hopping a little bit. I can't actually get up. Plus, if I do get up, it's kind of scary, I can't lie. And I'm not trying to, you know, not trying to do all that. I'm scared of looping the bike, if anything. Let's go around on this straight, and hopefully there's no car. Yeah, there you go, no cars. We'll do it in gear 2 actually, because gear 1 was a bit dodgy. Oh nah, let's go. Let's try now. Oh, I suck. I actually suck. Oh, wait. It should be second nature to a man to just know how to get the front wheel up. Obviously, people keep saying, "Oh, keep passing." I don't see me ever doing a wheelie. And quote me, future me, if I do end up being a perfect wheeler, clip this content. It'll be amazing. Should I try and do that cool little spinny thing? Yeah, let's do that. Ah, fuck. You right? How you doing? Sorry?
Ready to race?
Do you want to race?
You want to race?
Where to?
Me?
Yeah? What's that? Yeah? Ah, this is... I'll be like 110 on it. It's slow, bro.
It's slow?
It's slow.
Ah.
Yeah.
For now, R7, you didn't think they would be though, would you? We're only coming here because of the fucking police, that's why.
Is it?
Yeah, the police are about today.
Oh, why you not legal?
Nah, I'm legal. Yeah, just long getting stopped.
Yeah. I was saying my exhaust is kind of loud. I took the buffer like recently and it attracts a lot of attention. So I want to put it back in and see. I thought this guy was going to rob me, I can't lie. Loud. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, so I want to put the baffle in and hopefully
That's why I got a stock one on this one because that's why I had the KTM 790.
Yeah.
But that fucked up, so I stopped it for this one.
Oh, fair.
I'm a mechanic. I work at Rick's Motorcycles.
Rick's? Oh yeah, I took my R3 there recently.
You know Ricky?
Yeah. Yeah, sound guy. Where are you guys from?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. How about you? Jamaica. I'm Pakistani. Yeah. Nah, that's cool, man. That's cool.
Nah, my girlfriend's Pakistani.
Yeah? That's cool. Whereabouts?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Yeah, that's Bangladesh, but that's not Pakistan.
Yeah, nice to give me a message.
Cool.
I'll come up.
Alright, wicked, man. See you later.
Take it easy, bro.
Take care. Safe. Oh shit, have you got a bike as well? What do you ride? Which one? 125. Ah, decent. Where do you ride to?
I'm in
Ringwood.
Ringwood.
Oh, Bournemouth side. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, man. Take care. Let's try one more wheelie. Let's go. Oh wow, I got out. Okay. It got off a little bit. I was sat in my eye as well. Fuck me. Bad time to be filtered. The fuck? I feel like he was coming closer to me. Hello. Hey. Yo, he waved at me. Oh, poor guy. Yeah, that was my friend. Completely didn't see me though. Alright, I think that's where we're gonna call it a day. It was a decent vlog. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.